Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the official YouTube app or official mobile app for many other websites on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer. Useful feature for those who want the mobile experience on their computer without having to install any other arduous software. Though you will need the Google Chrome web browser to use this. So, as you can see, I have the YouTube app up and running here. And what you want to do is go to YouTube in your browser, and then right here, there will be a button that will say install this app or something similar. Click on that, and it'll ask you if you want to install YouTube. And then just say yes. And then from there on out, every time you go to YouTube, just click on it'll appear there, up here, just asking like open the app, and then say yes to that. And then, as you can see here, I have the YouTube app. This is the YouTube mobile app on my computer through Google Chrome. So, not all, but many websites are starting to have this, where you can essentially run their mobile app through Chrome. Useful for people who want the mobile experience on their computer without having to install any other arduous software. So that's about it for this video. Sorry for the crop effect. I didn't want to have any of my personal information on YouTube. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290. Have a nice day. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.